Do you want to create a coloring book for Amazon KDP, but you feel intimidated about creating your own coloring book pages? If you're anything like me, you've been stalling in doing that because I am not an illustrator. I don't want to pay anybody on Fiverr to create pages because creating a coloring book through somebody on Fiverr would be around $400 to $500 or more. And I have been disappointed with the results that AI has given me so far when it comes to creating coloring pages. But today, I am going to show you an AI that does a good job and for a pretty small fraction of the cost that it would take for somebody else to create these pages for you. This is an AI that is specially dedicated to creating coloring pages. So stay until the end of this video because I'm going to show you the exact AI that will help you create them. Hi, my name is Gabrielle, and I earn passive income from home. In my channel, I talk about ideas for creating passive income streams. And so far, Amazon KDP is one of those very consistent income streams. Amazon is currently paying for my car. But anyways, I know you're super interested in learning how to create a coloring book using AI. So let's dive right into it. So this is Coloring Book AI. As you see, it's an AI coloring pages generator. You can download free coloring pages. You can browse their free images. You can turn any photo into a coloring page, and you can generate a coloring page where you create your own image through a prompt. And here it shows you some examples of what is possible. Here are other images that have been created by users. Here's the frequently asked questions if you want to learn more. It also has this option, online coloring, and the gallery where you can see what other people have created. And I already have an account, but if you want to test it out, you can register right here and get started for free. You don't need to introduce a credit card to start checking it out. And Coloring Book AI works in several languages. All of these are the ones that are available currently. I really like that it says, not sure what to write, check out our gallery. So you can check out other people's prompts. I'm going to check it out. And here they have images that were created by others. And I like that when you roll over them, you can see the original image that generated it. Like this one was actually a picture of a doggy, and it turned out that way. This was actually a truck. It just says the prompt, and this one has a prompt in Spanish, and it's working really well. So the AI doesn't have an issue whether you write the prompt in Spanish or English. This one was also the image of a kitty. This one was actually, it looks like it came from a photograph, but it was actually made through a prompt. See, this was actually an image, and it turned out fantastic. See this one? Here's a prompt. Obviously, the quality of your images will depend on the quality of your prompt, so you can use AI to help you generate a prompt. I'm just going to try it the way it is right now. There's also a batch mode in case you want to create a bunch of coloring pages through images. There's also through text if you want to create them through text. So I'm going to choose text to coloring pages. And considering what is coming up right now, which is Easter, I will create a cozy, cute bunny coloring page. I did some Amazon KDP research on that, so I'm going to go over here so you can see it. And I found out that the cozy, cute coloring book for adults has a great opportunity. I'm using Titan's Quick View by Self-Publishing Titans. I'll leave the link in the description so you can check it out. And I did this search, and it showed me that there's a good opportunity to succeed in this niche. When I tried through Titans Pro, you can see here in the search results, which are the good opportunity keywords for your books. And I found that Cozy Cute Coloring Book has an opportunity of 9, which is great. And it has pretty good demand too. So that's why I'm creating it. Remember, never create your Amazon KDP books blindly. Just, oh, I'm going to create this because I want to. No, you have to do some research. So I did some research and I want to create Cozy Cute Coloring Book. So I'm going back here, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to create a Cozy Cute style mother bunny with baby bunnies having a picnic surrounded by flowers. And let's see what it gives me. And you can choose if you want it for a toddler, for children, for teenagers, or for grown-ups. and the difficulty level will be how intricate your designs will be. I'm going to choose children 5 to 10, and the dimensions by default is 2 times 3, but I want it to be square actually, so I'm going to choose square. And you can choose how many images it can create at once. I'm going to choose a little bit more. Yeah, it can create 4. And if you have a premium plan, you can make it private so nobody else sees your pages. The high print quality is also a premium feature, so I'm going to generate it. And the images are ready. It took only a few seconds. And see, they're pretty cute. I like this one a lot. Sometimes the AI does have errors, that's normal, but these look pretty good. And then you can download them as a PDF or as a PNG to start populating your coloring book. Now I'm going to try the image to coloring page option. The easiest way is to create your image first elsewhere. You can do it from a photograph or from another illustration. In my case, I'm going to use an illustration, so I'm going to Midjourney to create it. And I'm going to choose my settings, square. I placed this prompt and I'm going to generate it. And this is what Midjourney gave me. I like this one, so I'm going to download it. And let's go over here. I'm going to choose image to coloring page. Upload your image. Here's my image. And you can choose remove background. You can also upscale the image if it's low resolution. I only need 2 versions of this one to see how well it does. And I'm going to say generate now. And see, it's not taking that many credits when I create the images, so that's great. And the images are ready, and I love this one. Well, actually, this one is better because here it's way too detailed. This one is perfect. And now I can just download it. And there we go. If I check my downloads, here's the image. This is the resulting image. So what do you think? I think it's a really attractive option for creating coloring pages for your Amazon KDP medium content books. So that is Coloring Book AI. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. This was just a really quick demonstration, and according to my calculations, it will cost around 10 cents per image that you create, compared to the $10 that usually people on Fiverr charge per page. So Coloring Book AI is a massive opportunity to start creating medium content books to help you succeed on Amazon KDP. I truly recommend that you try it out. I'll place the link in the description for you. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know too. If you find this information useful and you want to learn how to create passive income streams so that you can have more time to enjoy your family, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to watch my next video.